as per Nigerian time. Should I assume everyone in this meeting are Nigerians and are based in Nigeria?
No,
Yes.
sir.
No. Okay. Now, for those that are not in Nigeria, all you need to do is just to convert this time to your own local time. Convert it to your own local time. So that you won't make mistake in the timing. It's very important. Because if you make mistake in the timing, it's not going to be good. All right? It's not going to be good if you make mistake in the timing. So convert it to your own local time. And from there, it will be easier for you to understand. Now, how many trading sections do we have? Who can help us? How many trading sections do we have?
Four trading sessions.
Kelvin, how many trading? Yeah, four. Can you name them, please?
Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York.
And New York. All right. Thank you. Now look at Sydney here. We have two primary. We have the winter, we have the summer. Who can help me out? Are we in summer period or we're in winter?
We're in summer, sir.
All right. Now, number one, if we're in winter or we're in summer, number one, the broker is going to send you an email to tell you the period we are. Because it is when the period, it is when you know the period we are that you're going to know the time frame to apply, because it is always 1 hour difference between summer and winter. And the reason why it's like that is during summer, right? The weather is always cold. All right. The weather is always cold during summer. So, sorry, do I say summer? Winter. During winter, the weather is always, that's the Harmattan period. So they want you, they don't expect that you wake up so early like that. You know, when you wake up very early around 7, you still feel Harmattan and all of that. So they decide to extend the time 1 hour late so that you can resume your trading flow 1 hour. So that is why the London section starts 9 a.m. during winter, but during summer it starts 8 a.m. Nigerian time. Nigerian time, currently now we're in summer, so that means London section starts 8 a.m. and closes what? 5 p.m. Nigerian time. New York section is next to London section, which is highlighted in yellow. It starts with 1 p.m. Nigerian time and closes 10 p.m. Nigerian time. So between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., London section and New York section overlap. London section and New York section what? Overlap. Can you see it? Within this period. Okay? They overlap. What we mean by overlap is that they are in the market at the same time. And during that period, you expect more volatility. This blue color here represents best trading hour. Why this blue line is regarded as best trading hour is because once they overlap like that, you see a lot of volatility. Volatility means sharp movement of price either to the upside or to the downside. Sharp movement of price either to the upside or to the downside. This is another volatile period. Yeah. Why is it a volatile period? The reason is that Tokyo section is about to close. The London section opens. Tokyo section closes around 8 a.m. Nigerian time. While London section during the summertime opens around that same 8 p.m. So within that 1 hour, you expect volatility. Between the hour of 8 o'clock to 9, you expect what? Volatility. Do you understand? You expect volatility. That is for what? London and New York section. Now look at Sydney section. Sydney actually opens 9 p.m. Us is 9. Sydney opens. What are the pairs that you trade during Sydney? NZD, AUD, and JPY. Those are the pairs that move more during what? During Sydney and what? Tokyo section. Because they are what? Asian currencies. Are we together, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is for Sydney. Now for Tokyo opens 11 p.m. 11 p.m. That is why you will see that the time between Tokyo and Sydney almost the same thing. So that is why the two are now regarded as what? Asian section. There are some books you are going to read. They will merge up the two. Why they are merging up the two is that you can see the two are operating almost the same time. You can see. It is only this place that Tokyo is left alone to run. Why in this case, Sydney opens 9 p.m. and Tokyo is opening 11. So apparently they operate at the same time. All right. So that is it about trading section. Now, like I said, we're in summer. Once you get to winter, your broker, any broker you're using is going to send you a notification via email. All right. Or when Harmattan period is starting, there's usually a calendar. I think anytime from September, winter starts globally. I stand to be corrected. All right. So at that point, the market is going to change from opening, for example, London section opening 9 a.m. London section opening 8 a.m. It will change to what? Opening 9 a.m. and it will close 6 o'clock instead of closing 5 p.m. All right. So do you all understand this? I know we've discussed about it, but I still feel I need to let you know so that it starts as a reminder for you. And why I'm saying it is that some of you may want to be doing your research, right? By the time you start your research, let me help you out on something. You can just go to your Google, yeah? Go to your Google, yeah? You can go to your, once you get to your Google, you can type in London section breakout strategy. It's different from that first breakout strategy and analyze. This one will happen during London section. So what you want to do is you want to click any option. I have one actually, but you can click any one, yeah. All right. For instance, you can click this. Once you click this now, it will show you the rules. Because a lot of people, I have somebody, he only trade London section. He doesn't trade all day. He has mastered London section. So he will target where the London section will open. All right. Let me help you out. Let me just help you out. It's a strategy, I know, but the reason why I don't like it is I don't want to do anything that will violate my strategy. Now, for example, you want to trade Euro US during London section. All right. You go to 1 hour time frame. Once you're on 1 hour time frame, let's assume that London section is opening 8, right? Currently now, London section is opening 8. Let's assume that this candle here is the 8. It's the 7 o'clock candle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This candle here is the 7 o'clock candle, and the 7 o'clock candle is still forming. So the next candle that forms after is when the London section will open. What you will now do is you will mark out the high of the 3 previous candles before the opening of the London section. Which one is the high of the 3 previous candles? The 3 previous candle will be this, and this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now the high, which is this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You also mark out the low, which is this. Am I correct? Okay. So once London section opens. Once London section opens, right? Anywhere London section breaks to, like this. Follow me. Anywhere where London section breaks to. If London section breaks up, wait for a retest. Target this high. This high here. As your TP. If London section opens and break anywhere it breaks this one. Expect a retest. Target the low. How will you know the low? Just go to the left. You know the low. This is the low, yeah. This low. Target this low as your TP. That is how to trade London section breakout strategy. But do you know that if you don't know the exact time London section is open, you won't be able to trade this strategy. This strategy works almost all the time, every day. By the time you have opened Google for you, right? By the time you do your research about it, it will tell you. All right? It will tell you. Master London section breakout. Forex trading strategy. All right. So that is it about time frame. Do you understand? That's it about time frame. Do you want me to send this to the group again as a form of reminder for everyone?
Yes.
Even though you already have it, but this one I break down very often. So you can easily use this.
Yes,
Okay. I should send it, right?
Yes, sir.
yes.
All right, I'm sending it right away. So the next thing I want to talk about is psychology. How you can work on your emotions and come before successful. It doesn't matter. Don't be moved by how the market is. The market is designed to be that way. All right. I've sent it. So I believe everyone can keep it. For those of you that have laptop to join this meeting, create a folder on your desktop and be keeping all these materials. It will help you a lot, a whole lot. You can see the books I've been able to gather all through the period I've been learning Forex. You can see my books. All right, you can see my books. You can see my books. They're also part of my books. Can you see? Can you see my books? All right. I still have other ones there too. Can you see them? I still have other ones there too. Paid books. Can you see them? Evidence-based technical analysis, how the market makers extract millions of dollars from millions of dollars a day. ICT trading forex strategy. Trading is on mastering psychology. All right. So that's it. Please keep all these things. So now let's talk about the last thing we want to talk about, which is why emotion mess with your trading psychology. So who can help us to read this? Why emotions mess with your trading? Why emotions mess with your trading? All right. So let's go ahead. Let's go straight to business. Yeah, who can help us read this, please?
Trading psychology.
Yes.
Trading psychology and why traders screw up. Just take a look at your last 50 trades and think how your performance would look like if you hadn't done all those emotionally caused trading mistakes. My guess is that you would be a much better trader if you could control the psychological side of a trading bit better. Should I continue?
Yeah, continue, please.
In this ebook, we compared the most problematic emotionally caused trading problems, how they manifest in your daily life as a trader, and what you can do about it to counter the impact of bad trading behavior and impulsive trading mistakes.
Right. Yeah, true. Now someone else should read number one for us so I can explain.
Fear is one of the Fear is one of the two most frequently talked about emotion in trading. Greed, which comes next in the other one. Fear manifests itself in a number of ways in trading, and it can be cause of many trading mistakes. The fear of losing led trader delay the realization of a loss, which then turn into much greater losses, and the fear of giving back profits, which make trader close winning trade too early. There are many phases of fear in trading, as we will see later on.
All right. Now, fear is one of the two most frequently talked about emotions in trading, and greed, which comes next. Fear manifests itself in a number of ways in trading, and it can be the cause of many trading mistakes. When you are trading, whenever you're trading, as long as your analysis is right, and as long as you are using the right lot size you're supposed to use, don't panic. I know why I'm bringing up this topic. It is because one of the students called me today, and though he wasn't panicking, right? But he was just telling me how he feels. So that's why I feel I need to talk about this. Fear will only affect you and will not allow you to grow. I know it will take time for you to build yourself to that level where you don't even care. As long as you know that your analysis is right as long as you know that price has swept liquidity before you enter the market, you don't care what is going to happen. Take for example, look at this analysis. I've analyzed few pairs here. Let me just show you. Initially, before price gave this push down, I've set my price limit here. I was expecting price to come here because naturally, this two zone to zone, this zone level here, these two resistance level here, price breakout here gave us what? Resistance on support 1. So I'm expecting another resistance on support 2. But unfortunately, price is not getting and start breaking down to the downside. So in this case now, I have deleted this pending order I set here. So am I going to buy since I set it here and price was here? I'm not buying to get to this level. Imagine if I had bought to get here. Look at what would have happened. Price would have gone down. So I'm not going to buy so that price will come to this level. I want to sell at this point because the overall trend is bullish. Because this is the TP of this trade. So anything I will be doing here is a sell opportunity. Let's look at another trap that I set here. Okay. This one, right? I'm expecting a breakout to the downside so that price can come to this what? To this origin here. Then we'll now look for a buy. By clearing all this liquidity. Price needs to clear all this liquidity. All right. Price needs to clear all this liquidity. So we're expecting price to clear this liquidity. Once price clear it, give us a breakout here, a retest. Boom. We expect price to come to this point. That is how you what set your. Now, am I going to start selling at this point? No, because if you are not in the sell at this point, it is risky for you to start selling when price gets here. But if your sell is here and price is doing all this rubbish, well, that's not a problem. What is the next pair? Let's see. Look at the next pair. When price was here, I'd already set a trap for price here, so that price will come and mitigate. Unfortunately, price did not come back. So another trap has been set for price here. Once price comes here, I have no other option than to buy at this point. I have no other option, and I'll target this level as my TP. I will target this level as my TP. Now, can I sell where it is currently to this place? No, it's not allowed. So you need to have certain rules that guide you. It's not allowed. Let price crawl there by itself. Once it crawls there, it triggers you. Even if you are sleeping, it's going to trigger you because you've already set the pending order. It's going to trigger you to the trade, and you're good. Okay. Let's check another one here. Another trap set here. Now look at this is a trap. This one has already caught. Though I'm expecting price to still come up to this level. Price is able to get to this level, all well and good. Otherwise, I'm already in the trade. All right. And where is my TP? My TP is not far. This is my TP here. But will I wait for price to come here when I know there's a support here? It's wisdom. I can now come out here as my first TP. Because this is a support. And trust me, when price comes down to this level, we expect price to react before it starts going up. Do you understand? Are we together, guys? Let's see another trap.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Let's see another trap. Another trap, guys. I'm expecting price to come here. Once price gets here, I have no other option than to what? Not to sell. I have no other option than to sell. If price gets here, I sell to this point. Then at this point, there's a trap here that has been set already for price. So I cannot buy because I want price to get here to sell. I will not buy from here to this. Let price come because price may not come here and come down and start before coming up. So let price come here, but I'm very, very sure that once price gets here, I'm selling. I'm selling back down. Then at this point, I buy to this level because this is actually the original level. But as it's coming up to trigger this place, it will not buy to this place directly. Once it gets here, you expect a push down to the downside. At this area, you buy. And why are we buying at that point? And how do we know that this first move here, price will not get here? The reason why the price will not get here at its first move is because price needs to fulfill a mission here. Price needs to fulfill a mission here. If this mission is not fulfilled, this mission here cannot be fulfilled. As far as we are concerned, this eye is still protected. I may not have time to explain protected highs and lows for you, and unprotected highs and lows. I know the wise one among you will write it down in their jotter, then go to Google and type protected high, protected low, unprotected low, unprotected high in forex trading. Again, protected high, protected low, unprotected low, and unprotected high in forex trading. I want you to Google it on your own. It's not an assignment, right? It's just for you. So it downloads for you whether you want to do it or not. Right? As far as I'm concerned, this eye is still protected until this what? Until all this level here are taken away. Until all this liquidity level here are taken away. If this liquidity level here are not taken away, right? This eye is still protected. Google it, type protected eye, protected low, and unprotected eye, unprotected low forest. Then you're going to see what I'm talking about. Are we together, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now that's for that. So now look at another trap. AUDJPY. What's the trap here? I'm expecting price to come here. You can see that price has not gotten to this place. You are not permitted to sell if price is just kissing it. Because you have done your analysis and you expect price to come here. Once price gets here, now it triggers us into the trip and we keep selling. How do I know that price is not going to get here before selling? I know because this impulsive move needs some correction. This impulsive moves need some correction. In price, we have impulse, we have correction, and we have continuation. Impulse, correction, continuation. So this impulsive move here is going to trigger price to get to this level and sell. And that is why our TP is not down, and that is why our TP is at this level. All right? That is why the TP is at this level. If I can reduce this TP to 1 ratio 3, 1 ratio, yes, 1 ratio, yes, 1 ratio 3. Something like this. So that once price get there, set to this point, then start moving up. This is the point where we have no other option than to sell. By the time we sell at this point, we expect price to come down to this level as our final TP. Guys, Forex is interesting. Forex is interesting, guys. Try to know this thing more. Invest in your knowledge, bro. All right. That is the trap for AUD JPY. Now AUD GDP AUD. This is a trap here. The trap here is that we already had a change of character here on 15 minutes time frame, right? This is the origin that caused a change of character. So price is going to get to this point before we buy. Are we permitted to sell at this point to this place? No. But we are 100% sure that price is coming here because there's nothing that even wants to stop price on the road. This cannot stop price. Rather, price will use this level as liquidity and boom to this side. In this scenario, the only thing that might likely happen is because of this long week, price might still come down to this level before going up because of this long week. But because I don't want to miss this trade, right? I will enter with a small lot size here. Price is funny. Price may not get here. No one knows if it's going to get it because if you go to 15 minutes time frame, you are going to see a very clear order block. Can you see? Even though it's mitigated, right? But you can see that clear order block here. So there's all possibility that price will get here. If price does not respect this level, we won't sell. But if price respect this level, we look for a buy. We're good. That is the trap. The last trap I set is this. Can you see it? This has already triggered. We had a change of character. Can you see? We had a change of character here. Right? Impulsive. Who remember displacement? Who remember displacement? Have I taught you displacement?
Not sure, sir.
Three consecutive candles.
Yeah.
Occurring at a change of character zone is a valid what? Is a valid change of character. Now you can see it's valid. Price broke out. Came back to the origin. This is the origin that caused the change of character. But price decided to come down to this level. Once price gets to this level, price start moving up. Guys. All this was is doing is rehearsing. We have seen a displacement here. All right. This is our TP for this trade. Our TP is not too far. This is 1 ratio 3.16. A good trade or a bad trade, guys?
Good trade.
a good trade. So those are the traps that have been set. Other ones I have no trap set for them. Other ones I have no trap set for them. Right? So for now, these are the traps that I set, and this will take us till tomorrow. So tomorrow, all pending order will not even be closed, but will be closely monitored. All right. So that's it. And what I've just done now, you just need to repeat it every day. You're not doing anything different. Watch out for your channel, watch out for your trend line, watch out for your breakout, watch out for your change of character, watch out for your zone, watch out for your price action, candlestick pattern, chart pattern.
Please, I want to ask a question, sir.
Go ahead, please, with your question.
Yes, sir. What is the criteria you said for the value change of character concerning the candle? I was jotting it down.
Displacement.
Yes, sir. What did you call it?
Displacement.
Okay, sir.
Displacement. Let me type it here for you to see displacement.
Okay, sir.
Let's ask Google. Google will tell you the meaning of displacement in Forex. Displacement. What did Google say? Can you read it for us?
In the Forex market, displacement in the context of the ICT trading strategy refers to a sudden, strong, and decisive price movement, often following a market structure shift and a fair value gap, indicating a significant shift in the market momentum. It essentially shows that smart money or institutional traders have entered the market and are driving a substantial move.
Look at it here. Can you see the picture? Consecutive candles. Displacement. That is exactly what happened here. Displacement. Can you see displacement?
Yes, sir.
Guys, if you are there, I want you to clap for me, please. Clap for me. Just celebrate this. Clap for me. I can't clapping. You are not celebrating. It is what you celebrate you attract to. If you celebrate knowledge, you attract knowledge. Do you understand?
Sir.
I agree with you, Mr. Gabriel.
All right. So we're going to start tomorrow's class with Fibonacci. Yeah. We're going to start tomorrow's class with future retracement. Mind you, we have not concluded this psychology of trading. No, don't forget, we've only talked about fear. We've not talked about greed. Right? We've not talked about greed. We've not talked about hope. We've not talked about excitement. We've not talked about being anxious. We've not talked about boredom, right? We've not talked about frustration. All these are classified under psychology. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
They are classified under trading psychology. But tomorrow we're going to start a class with Fibonacci. After we have talked about Fibonacci, we'll talk about Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, and all of that. I'm going to assist all of you to set up your Fibonacci on your trading view live in tomorrow's class. After we have talked about all of that, we will now go back to what? Our psychology, trading psychology, so that you are going to be learning psychology alongside the classes you're learning. Bro, at the end of your training, at the end of your tutorship here, I think you should gain some value that will last and take you to the next phase of your Forex journey. All you'll be seeing is blue. There was a particular day I woke up early and I saw 10,200 blues. Not on a live account, I'm not on a demo account, on a live account. Though not is co-managed, right? Like three people are those that actually own the account. I'm the one managing the account. I saw 10,200 and 10,200 plus blue in dollars. Imagine you see that's about 16 million. Bro, you can only see that kind of money in Forex market, and it is only your knowledge that can give you that kind of money. It's not a guesswork. I know some of you think it's a guesswork. It's not, you guess now. Yes, unless I swear you can keep guessing for 4 years. 4 years you will be guessing. You'll be swimming in an ocean if you don't have a mentor, if you don't have somebody holding you by the hand. One of my mentors used to say, if you know the journey to finish, your journey is short. But if you have somebody hold you by the hand, your journey is shorter. And that is why a mentor is always needed in the journey of life. In any field of endeavor, you need a mentor that will hold you tight and take you to your next destination. All right. I'll be taking a few questions before we call the class a day. Then afterwards, we will take it to the next phase. Do you have any questions from anyone?